EIE Instruments Private Limited presents Method for Determination of Viscosity of Road Tar and Cutback Bitumen by Tar Viscometer as per IS 1206 Part 1. Introduction. Viscosity of liquid bituminous binders like bitumen emulsion and tar are determined by indirect method using orifice type viscometer. A 50 cc of the binder is allowed to flow through specified orifice size of the cup at a given temperature, and the time taken in seconds is recorded as the viscosity value. The viscosity values of tar are determined using tar viscometer having either 10 mm or 4 mm size orifice. Apparatus. Tar viscometer consists of a cylindrical cup with 10 mm plus or minus 0.025 mm or 4 mm plus or minus 0.025 mm orifice. The length of the jet is 5 mm plus or minus 0.025 mm. The valve having spherical head to close the orifice of the cup. Valve is also having leveling peg to pour the sample up to the required level. The upper end of the valve is hemisphere by which it is held in the support. The cylindrical cup is inserted in a thermostatically controlled water bath. A hand stirrer is provided for uniformity of temperature of the bath. A receiver of 100 ml capacity is placed below the orifice for the collection of the sample. 2 standard thermometers are required, one for the bath and another for the cup to carry out the test. A stopwatch to measure the flow time. A heating device to heat the sample. Procedure. The tar cup orifice is cleaned with solvent, inserted in the bath, and top of the tar cup is leveled. The valve is placed on the orifice. The water in the bath is heated up to the test temperature specified for the test. Water is continuously stirred with the help of hand stirrer. The specified test temperatures are 35 degrees Celsius, 40 degrees Celsius, 45 degrees Celsius, 55 degrees Celsius and 65 degrees Celsius. The test sample of tar is heated up to 20 degrees centigrade above the specified test temperature and is allowed to cool while being continuously stirred. When tar sample reaches slightly above the test temperature, the same is poured in the orifice cup up to the leveling peg. 25 ml of mineral oil or a solution of a soft soap is poured in a graduated receiver and it is placed under the orifice. A thermometer is placed in the cup to measure the temperature of the test sample. When the sample reaches specified test temperature within 0.1 degrees centigrade and is maintained for 5 minutes, the valve is opened. The stopwatch is started when cylinder has recorded 25 ml and time is recorded for 50 ml of test sample to flow through the orifice. That is when the tar sample touches the 75 ml mark. Result. The result is obtained as indirect viscosity of tar in seconds at specified test temperature and orifice. The test is repeated for few more times with the same material. The result of repeated test should not differ by more than the following. Precautions. The working range of the tar viscometer with 10 mm orifice cup is such that the time of flow shall be between 10 seconds and 140 seconds. The working range of the tar viscometer with 4 mm orifice cup is such that the time of flow shall be between 20 seconds and 200 seconds. The orifice of the cup should be thoroughly cleaned. The orifice of the cup shall be calibrated at frequent intervals. The test temperature should be strictly adhered. The thermometer should be calibrated periodically. Thank you. Wishing you an accurate testing. Please visit us at www.eieinstruments.com.